this video, you'll learn how to find the least common denominator. It's abbreviated LCD. The least common denominator is the lowest common multiple of the denominators of a set of fractions. The set of fractions could have two or more fractions. Let's do an example and show you how to find the least common denominator. Here is an example. I'm going to take the fractions 1 over 72 and the fraction 1 over 60. The first fraction has a denominator 72 and the second fraction has the denominator 60. I'm going to show you how to find the LCD of 72 and 60. Knowing the LCD is very useful when adding, subtracting, and comparing fractions. So let's find the LCD of 72 and 60. Here's the first step. The first step, write down 72 and 60 on a horizontal line and put the division symbol upside down. And let's begin by asking the following question. What is the smallest prime number that you can think of and that goes into 72 and 60, starting with 2? Well, 2 works for 72 and 60, so I'm going to put 2 here. Now 2 goes into 72 how many times? 36 times. And 2 goes into 60 how many times? 30 times. Let's continue the process and ask the same question again by putting the division symbol upside down again. What is the smallest prime number that, starting with 2 again, that goes into 36 and 30? Would 2 work? If it works, then we'll use 2. 2 goes into 36 18 times. And 2 goes into 30 how many times? 30 divided by 2 is 15 times. Let's continue the process and ask the same question. What is the smallest prime number, starting with 2, that would go into 18 and 15? Would 2 work here? Well, 2 works for 18, but it doesn't work with 15. 15 is not divisible by 2. So I'm going to try 3. Would 3 work? Yes. 3 goes into... 3 is a prime number, goes into 18 how many times? 6 times. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And 3 goes into 15 how many times? 5 times. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Let's continue the process. Is there a prime number that would go into 6 and 5? Well, the answer is no, so we stop the process here and I'm ready to show you what the LCD is. Remember the letter L. That's the key for you guys to remembering how to find the least common denominator. I'm gonna circle the numbers outside using the letter L. Watch. You see the letter L now? If you take the numbers inside the letter L and multiply them, you will get your LCD. So my LCD is of 72 and 60 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 6 times 5, which is equals to what? 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 3 is 12, and then 12 times 6 is 72, and 72 times 5 is 360. That's the LCD of 72 and 60. So I'm going to change the question mark right here and put what? 360.